actuator? This is the typical actuator for different purposes. In this particular case, this actuator is used to move, what is this? This is the arm of the rudder. No? That's the arm of the rudder. But we have other actuator to lift the garage door. You have another actuator for the pasarela. You have actuators for different purposes. What is the procedure to move those actuators? Look at this actuator. Is clear that picture? And look at this. I have a container. I have a motor, electric motor. I have a pump. And I have a group of to change the path of the fluid. I have a servo valves. I have servo valves with manual activation, or I have servo valves with solenoid. This is a solenoid servo valve. Pay attention. In this particular case, always I need the reservoir for the fluid. I need the pump. What is the function of the pump? Multiply the output pressure. How much is the pressure in the suction? Suction. Negative pressure. And after that, the impeller multiply the pressure, and I have good output pressure. Now, right? Pay attention. In this moment, this element have 3 positions: 1, 2, and 3. What happened in the middle position with the fluid coming from the pump? Return immediately. What is the name of that position?
Off.
Neutral. Oh, yeah, neutral or off. Because the fluid, when the transmission in your car is in neutral, what happened with the fluid? Go from the oil pan and return. What happened when you activate forward? When you put forward, this is forward. Or this one, this is reverse. Pay attention. Suppose that I move this box here in the middle. I put that box here in the middle. What happened with the fluid here? Goes here and enter here. What happened with the piston? And what happened here? Return to the tank. Ah, nice. What happened if I put this box here? What happened with the fluid? Goes here, the fluid enter here, the piston, and this is the return into the tank. Everybody follow me? This is a typical hydraulic system. Nice, no? Is clear, that system? For that reason, if I want to create a hydraulic system with 2 actuators or 3 actuators, the only that I need is one element like this. Look, this element is composed for, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Reservoir.
The reservoir. Look, I added the fluid here, and I have to check the crystal clear here to check the level of the fluid. That's okay? I have the reservoir. Ah, look, I have one. Look at this, positive, negative. What is this? The electric motor. And I have here the pump with the body of valves and the solenoids. The servo valves and the pump. Servo valves and pump, electric motor, and reservoir. Oh, nice. Let me check this one. I have the reservoir, I have the electric motor, and I have the pump with the servo valves here. Oh, the servo valve sends the fluid in one direction or send the fluid in the other direction. Depending. Oh, how I change the position with the solenoid. You see? Pin, 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 pin. How was that? Let me check. I can change the position of these boxes with my hand, with this handle. No, Mr. Lopez, I don't like the handle. No, my friend, I recommend the handle and the solenoid. With the solenoid, what is the function of the solenoid? Convert electrical signal into mechanical movement. Oh, nice. With one solenoid here and other solenoid here, like this and this, suppose that I install here one solenoid, I install here another solenoid, negative here, positive here, and other solenoid here, negative here, positive here. I am going to install a couple of push buttons. One push button for up and other push button for down. Push button, push button. Do you remember push button? The push buttons are normally open or normally closed. In this particular case, I am going to install normally open. Normally open. Normally open. One for up and the other for down. And look at this. I am going to connect positive here, coming from the positive bus bar. You remember the constant positive bus bar? And here in one position, I connect this solenoid, and in the other position, I connect the blue one, that one. Ready? Aha, what happened when I activate this one? The fluid goes down. What happened when I activate this one? The fluid goes up. Bingo! And this is, in this moment, what is the name of this? Directional servo valve. It's working with solenoid. Nice, no? Nice. Nice.